Hi there! In this video I will be showing you how to draw a floral letter. I am painting a T here. You take whatever letter is your favorite. So let's get into this video. First step is you have to draw your letter. I am drawing a capital cursive T here. So here I am done with my letter, as you can see. Right after this, you will have to decide your design on a scrape paper like I am doing here. So first I am making a big flower, then beside it I will be making a medium-sized rose or daisy. Done with this, the next step is you have to paint the design on the letter. I am making small brown dots for the middle portion of the big flower. I've taken lots of white and added a pinch of yellow in it to make this color for the petals. Here I'm shading the petals with some light brown. Now for this daisy, I'm again painting some brown dots for the middle portion. For the petals, I'm just using simple white and then I'm gonna shade it with sky blue. To paint this rose, I've added a very little bit of brown to white to create this shade. I'm just drawing uneven lines to show the petals of the flower. And now I'm adding some green leaves. You can add them wherever you think they will look nice. Here I'm making some stringes of light purple. I'm adding small round leaves of light blue. So that's our design ready. The last step is painting the remaining letter. I'm adding lots of water to crimson blue. You can take any dark color of your choice. And here we go. I'm shading this daisy with the same color which I have used to paint the letter. I'm shading this rose with some light gray. So that's our floral layer completely done. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.